UPS Maintenance Mechanic Assessment Test. The UPS Maintenance Mechanic Assessment Test is a specialized evaluation tool utilized by UPS to assess candidates applying for technical and maintenance roles including maintenance mechanics, aircraft mechanics, and plant engineers. Conducted in partnership with Ramsey Corporation, the test is tailored to evaluate candidates' proficiency in various technical areas relevant to their roles. Test structure. The test covers technical topics that potential UPS maintenance mechanics may encounter in their daily work. These include electrical, reading schematics, hydraulics and pneumatics, welding, conveyor belt systems, and mechanical systems, etc. Then there are many key skills and qualities which are required, and these include the following: communication skills and team player,